Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk through the series pages, which is a section under the training on our website. So just as a reminder, you're going to the ctacny.org website, which is where all the MCTAC and CTAC resources, trainings, tools, etc. are available and housed for you to view and utilize. So if you're on the website, you would click trainings. As you can see, there's a number of different options under training. There's the search tool, which you would hit trainings for. There's playlists, series, and special initiatives. So in this video, we're going to go through series, but if you're interested in any of the other sections, please see our other videos. So I'm going to click series, and it'll open up to the series page. So on this page, there's a list of all of the series that are currently available on our website for you to view. Now, what is a series? A series is a collection of trainings that were organized and planned together and occurred chronologically within a relatively short period of time on a certain topic. So there's a number of different series that have occurred, and this could be useful to you for a number of reasons. You might want to look on this page if you have attended some in a series, but maybe you missed one or two and you want to check in about those resources. Maybe you're joining a series late and you want to see what resources were offered previously. Then the series page is a great resource for you. Maybe you've heard about a topic and you heard there was a series, and so you want to look on the series page in order to make sure you're getting a complete view of what was offered on that topic. So the series page is a great resource for you, and you can see here we've got a number of different training series available. At the top, we just highlight a few different trainings, and we change this from time to time just to sort of highlight what is most topical or most recent. And you can see here HEDIS measures for collaborative care. You can see an employee investment series, as well as healing-centered schools series. So these three are available right here at the top, and you can click on any of them to view all the different trainings that are part of it. Just going to do a little bit of a scroll through all of the various series that we have, and we'll also delve into one or two. So you can see Article 29I billing, autism spectrum series, bias and equity in early childhood. There's a number of different options, and we'll just keep on scrolling through. Coping with crisis during COVID, creating successful group experiences. There's a data series, a documentation series, etc. So there's a lot of different resources available for you here to utilize. So let's say I wanted to click the Education Matters series, which was for youth and family peer advocates. I would click on that. And then now that I'm on the page for that, I can see more information about what the series was, as well as each of the trainings that were part of this. And if I want to view any or all of these trainings, all I have to do is click it. And when I click it, if I'm logged into the website, it will send me right to this training page where I can view the slides, I can view the recording, I can see more information. If there's any resources, I can see links to those. And so I'll be able to get up to speed on this topic right here. Now, just going back to logging in for a second, you can see in the upper right-hand corner that I'm currently logged in. If you weren't, you would just be prompted to log in when you clicked this training page. And so then you would just log in with the same credentials you use for the Self-Learning Center, the same credentials you use for the registration system, and you'd be easily able to view this training and its resources. So going back to the series page here, again, you can see all of the different trainings that were part of this series. And if you want to go back to the series page, you just go back, and now you'll see the full listing of the different series that were offered, that have been offered. Again, so there's a number of different topics here: family-driven care, integrated care, motivational interviewing, etc. So you've got a lot of different options that you can look through: supervision best practices, the power of policies and procedures, etc. So you've got a lot of options here that you can look through. So let's say you're interested in workforce priorities. We'll just take a quick look at that. And again, you can see we had all of these different workforce priority webinars that were offered, and you can view them here. Okay, so this is our series page, and here you can see after the training, some of our series pages have additional information which you can access. All right, so another great thing about having a series and having a series page is if you are viewing it via the training search, so not via this series page right here that we're just on, if you don't access it this way, but if you find it via a wider training search, you can see that it is part of a series. So let's say I'm interested in integrated care and I hit integrated. Okay, and I'm looking at this training, which was conversations around integrated care, and I viewed the resources, etc., and I want to learn more. I can see at the bottom that it's part of a series, the Making the Connection Conversations Around Integrated Care series, and if I click that, I'll be brought to the series page, and I can view any of the other trainings that have occurred on this topic and get fully up to speed on this topic, on this series. So again, the series pages are on the website under training, under series. You'll see a full list of any of the series that occurred, and you can view them at your leisure.